Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we are going to understand the concept of buffer solutions. Before we are going to discuss this topic, buffer solution and types of buffer solutions with examples, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon. Now moving to the topic, what is buffer solution? Why we are called it as buffer solution? The buffer solutions are used in the fermentation and food preservatives, drug delivery or electroplating, printing, the activity of enzymes, blood oxygen carrying capacity need specific hydrogen ion concentration. That means these all are maintain some specific pH range to maintain its pH and quality of your food. So that's why these buffer solutions are used in fermentation, food preservatives, and drug delivery, electroplating, and printing, the activity of enzymes, and blood oxygen carrying capacity. So these all are needs some pH value to maintain these capacities. So that solution we are adding pH to maintain these compounds. We are add some solutions. The solution of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate acid. That means, once again I repeat this, the solution of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate acid, are able to maintain pH or buffer solutions. Okay friends, the solution of weak acid and its conjugate base, we are called it as buffer, acidic buffer. Weak acid and conjugate base, that means the conjugate base means salt of a base. The salt of a base, weak acid and salt of a base refers to a acidic buffer, and weak base and its conjugate acid, that is referred as a basic buffer. Acidic buffer and basic buffers are able to maintain pH and or call it as buffer solution. Okay. Now, what is buffer solution? The buffer solution is a solution able to maintain its hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH, to maintain pH value to the solution with only minor changes on the dilution or addition of a small amount of either acid or a base. That is called it as buffer solution. Okay. Now, types of buffer solution. The two primary types into which buffer solutions are broadly classified into acidic buffers and alkaline buffers. Alkaline buffers are called it as basic buffers. Acidic buffers and alkaline buffers. Now, acidic buffer. First we are discuss acidic buffer. What is acidic buffer? Already I told you, the solution of weak acid and a salt of strong base, that is called it as a acidic buffer. So as the name suggests, that means the term acidic buffer, like these solutions are used to maintain acidic environment. Acidic buffer has acidic pH and the prepared by mixing weak acid and a salt of strong base. By mixing weak acid and its salt of strong base. Okay, clear? An aqueous solution of an equal concentration of acidic acid and a sodium acetate has a pH value is 4.74. An aqueous solution of equal concentration of acetic acid and sodium acid. This acetic acid and sodium acetate, these have only hydrogen and base is changed, H plus and Na plus only, but all the terms are same. So the pH value is 4.74. pH of these solutions is below 7. So pH of these solutions is below 7. It indicates that it is a acid. After 7, it indicates base. These solutions consist of a weak acid and a salt of weak acid. Okay. For example, acidic buffer solutions may mixture of sodium acetate and acetic acid their pH is 4.75. These are acetic acid. For example, the buffering action of acidic buffer is, it is a solution. The salt of completely ionized and the weak acid is partially ionized. CH3COONA is a equilibrium reaction. It divided into ions Na plus and CH3COO minus. And acetic acid is divided into H plus and CH3COO minus. So the weak acid and the salt of strong base. Salt of strong base is a Na plus and CH3COO minus. On addition of acid and base, that means on addition of acid, the released protons of acid will be removed by acetate ions to form an acetic acid molecule. That is the acidic buffer. H plus plus CH3COO minus, it is a added acid. It forms a CH3COO minus. That means the basic buffer solution. Now, on addition of base, the hydroxide ion is released by the base, will removed by the hydrogen ions to form water. We are adding OH minus ion base H plus, from it is added base. It gives a H2O. So H2O is a buffer solution. These are the buffer solution and types of buffer solutions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and like us.